If you have a coin and you think it's rare, there's a good chance that it might be actually rare and worth a lot of money. In this video, I'm going to show you a coin that you should never spend unless you simply want to lose money, which no one wants to lose money, right? So the first thing you need to understand about these coins is that condition is very important. Not going to bore you with too many details there, but you need to keep your coin safe. If you come across one of these coins, you can't be handling it poorly or dropping it. Keep it very safe. Do not damage it. If you want to know how to handle your coin properly, I have a free ebook below, but you don't have to do that. Let's hop into why this coin sold for $126,500. So this is a 1969S 1 cent memorial cent coin. This one was graded by PCGS, a mint state 64 red, and it also has a doubled die. So this is one of the most iconic coins when it comes to doubling. You can see that on the left side of the coin, there's a bit of a blemish. That is called toning. That's a naturally occurring process. That is not a big deal. As you can see, it has not impacted the value whatsoever. But the first thing you need to understand is that if you find a coin like this or you buy one, you need to get it authenticated by a company like NGC or PCGS, which is a third-party grading and authentication company. They're very trustworthy and sought after in the coin collecting field. So one thing you really need to look out for is, there are people out there that are trying to sell these coins, but they're fake. A good rule of thumb that I always say is, look, if it's too good to be true, it probably is. If someone's out there trying to sell this coin for 50 or 100 bucks and you think that you could buy it and sell it for a few thousand, chances are they got a fabricated coin that is not actually an error. You can pretty much buy these in China for a few bucks because they're producing them in mass quantities. So if you ever find one, you have to make sure it's actually real. We can get into that in a different video, but just look very closely at the features on Lincoln's face here. Look at the lettering, look at everything on this coin because this is a genuine example of what this coin should look like. Next, PCGS signified that this is a red coin. Now to keep it very brief, your coin will either get designated as a red, brown, or brown depending on the color of the coin. When these coins are first produced, they are all red coins. Red coins typically bring more money because collectors like coins that look as close to the mint state condition as possible. Over time, the environment will bring the color of the coin from red all the way down to brown. Now, don't get me wrong, there are plenty of brown coins out there that bring astronomical prices. Understand that just because your coin is red does not mean that it's going to be worth a lot of money. But the biggest reason why this coin sold for so much money is because it's a double die obverse coin. You can see at the date at the bottom right there, Liberty at the left, and In God We Trust at top, you're going to see some pretty apparent doubling happening. Essentially, this is a naturally occurring thing that happened at the manufacturing coin facility back in the day. This example is very apparent. A lot of doubling does not look this obvious, so keep your eyes peeled because you could have a coin with a lot of money, just like this one that sold for $126,500. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.